so for breakfast, I am trying to decide if I want my ham and cheese egg bites that I made, or egg muffins, not egg bites. I do want to make the egg bites that they have at Starbucks so bad. Or we've got, this one is those little smoky sausages with some cheese and jalapeno. I also have a green chili and pepper one too. Okay, so you just pop these in the oven, the microwave for 40 seconds. Well, for me it's 40 seconds. And I'm actually gonna have the jalapeno and smokies one. They're so good. And then I'm probably gonna have it, even though it has smokies in it, I'm probably gonna have a Morningstar sausage. But yeah, I made these, I got them off of a blog, and I'll have that link below. I think it was off of Jess's video that I got the link to the blog. So shout out to her for sharing this. Here's the sausage that I'm having, and it's 1 point for one. And then I'm going to add some tapatio on my hot sauce. And you guys, I love these so much, and they were all for me. And then my husband started liking them, and now my kids like them, so, so I made one for him. Not for my husband, for my kid. Okay, so there you go. I'm gonna add some tapatio on top. And here's my breakfast. This is my grande iced Americano with 3 pumps of skinny mocha, which is 0 points when I calculate it. And then there is my egg and my sausage. And that's my breakfast. Okay, I swear this is another recipe that I got from Jess. But it's her Philly cheesesteak. It looks so good that day I went to the store and got everything I needed. So I'm gonna have this for lunch. So thanks, Jess. And this is after it was microwaved. Looks so good, right? Oh my gosh. I made 5 of these. So I think I have 2 left. And my husband took one, so that's why too. But yeah, I'm gonna have that and that. And there is my lunch. So before I show you my dinner, I wanted to show you guys this because I was supposed to show you guys this sometime last year and I never did. I don't know why, I just forgot. But I'm gonna show you guys how we made air fryer tomatoes that were so good. So good. So all we did was get some breadcrumbs, chili flakes, and some cheese. You could choose whatever cheese you would like. And my husband was kind enough to cut those tomatoes for me wearing his Britney shirt. Gosh, I love my man. So anyways, we sliced the tomatoes, used some olive oil, mixed the cheese in with the flakes and all that, and just coated them. This is so easy. And just pop them in the air fryer. Keep an eye on them, but we had ours in for 15 minutes and they came out just like this. They were so good. You have to try them. But yeah, I just thought I'd throw that in there for you guys to see. So now to the dinner. It's time we busted out the pressure cooker and we decided to make ribs. So that's what I'm going to show you guys right here. So we had this preheating, and then when it was time, we put the ribs inside, and we got ours from Target. We usually get it from like Target or just our local grocery store, Stater Brothers. And yeah, whatever just looks good to us. So there it is. After it was finished, we got some barbecue sauce, and then we just put it in the air fryer just so the sauce is like a glaze, and it came out perfect. But of course I needed a side, so I had a can of green beans that I needed to use, and I sprinkled some garlic salt and some pepper on top and some Parmesan cheese. You need the Parmesan cheese. It made it taste so good. And of course, in our house, we love us some chili flakes. So we got some chili flakes, which we actually got from Pizza Hut. You know how they give you the little packets? So that's where we got our chili flakes. And yeah, that was our green beans, and it was so good. So my friends, this is my dinner that I had, and it was delicious, and I was full and passed out right after.